everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a Sew Plushie. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you aren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather these supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what you will need: some socks, scissors, a fine tip black permanent marker, mini pom-poms, felt, a glue gun, and some stuffing. Step 1. Fill your sock with stuffing, leaving the ankle area empty. Step 2. Fold over the empty ankle and hot glue it to the back of the sock. Step 3. Cut the ears out of felt and hot glue them onto the head. In the same way, cut the felt arms, legs, and a tummy for your animal. Hot glue it in place. Step 4. Hot glue mini pom-poms onto the sock to make the eyes and the nose. Use a fine tip black marker to draw on the mouth, whiskers, and other details. Step 5. Finally, cut a tail out of the felt and hot glue it to the back of the sock. Repeat for a whole crew of little sock buddies. Here's what mine looks like. I made a little cat. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Friday at 4 for a new Tween DIY. We will be making poetries. Please share any pictures of your craft with us on our Facebook and Instagram.